Hi guys, today we are going to learn some important formula of derivative. On firstly, if you didn't subscribe my channel, to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you get notification of my new videos. Now the first formula of derivative of x. A derivative of x is equals to 1. The second formula of derivative of x, the derivative of x square. The derivative of x square is twice x. Now the third formula of derivative. Derivative of x is equals to x cube. The derivative of x cube is 3x raised to the power 2. Now the fourth number, derivative of ddx x raised to the power n is equals to n into x raised to the power n minus 1. Derivative number 5, dd of x is equals dd of x root x is equals to 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of seventh number, ddx of k is equals to 0. Derivative of k is equals to 0 because k is constant. That's why the derivative of k is 0. 8. ddx of sin x. The derivative of sin x is equals to cos x. Ninth number, ddx of derivative of cos x is equals to minus sin x. Tenth number, dd of x means derivative of tan x is equals to 6 square x. Number 11, dd of x derivative of sec x is equals to sec x into tan x. Derivative of sec x is equals to sec x into tan x. Number 12, ddx of cot x is equals to minus cosec square x. The derivative of cot x is equals to minus cosec square x. Number 13, derivative of cosec x. The derivative of cosec x is equals to minus cosec x into cot x. Number 14, derivative of e raised to the power x. The derivative of e raised to the power is e raised to the power x. Number 14, dd of x. The derivative of x a raised to the power x is equals to a raised to the power x into log a. Number 15, derivative of ddx of log x. The derivative of log x is equals to 1 by x. Number 16, ddx. The derivative of kx is equals to k. Number 17, ddx of e raised to the power kx. Derivative of e raised to the power kx is equals to k into e raised to the power kx. Number 18. Derivative ddx of derivative a raised to the power kx is equals to k into a raised to the power kx into log a. This is the basic formula of derivative. How we can learn this derivative? See, the first derivative is derivative of x is equals to 1. dd of x square is equals to 2x. So this power 2 it's come first, and the power, the x is power 2, so 2 minus 1 1. The derivative of x2 is equals to 2x. Derivative of x3, the power of x is 3, so 3 comes first into multiplied of x, and minus 3 minus 1 2. The derivative of x cube is equals to 3 raised to the power x. This is the formula of finding derivative x raised to the power n, like n into x raised to the power n minus 1. So n come first into x, and the power n and minus 1. This is the finding formula of derivative. Then derivative of root x is equals to 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of k is equals to 0 because k is a constant. In limit also k is a constant. The limit of constant is equals to 0. Derivative of sin x is equals to cos x. Derivative of cos x is equals to minus sin x. When we will use minus sign? When the first word of trigonometric ratios, the derivative of trigonometric ratios, first words come in like c, so we can use minus sign. Like like uh, derivative derivative of cot x, the trigonometric ratios is word is come first c, so we can use minus sign. Derivative of c cosec x, c word, so we have to use minus sign, minus cosec x into cot x. This is learning technique, how to learn derivatives. The derivative of e raised to the power x, definitely e raised to the power x as the same of derivative. E raised to the power x, it is the derivative of e raised to the power x. E raised to the power x, what is the derivative of e raised to the power x? E raised to the power x is equals to e raised to the power x into log a. Then what is the derivative of log x? Log x 1 by x. Derivative of kx is equals to k. Derivative of e raised to the power kx is equals to k into e raised to the power kx. Derivative of a raised to the power kx is equals to k into a raised to the power kx into log. This is the basic formula of derivative. When we solve the problem, this is the basic of derivative. You can learn this derivative. Thank you. In next video we will see the problems of derivative.